What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the another Android application development tutorial in Android Studio. In this video we are going to learn how to create a custom action bar with our own. So let's start with a new Android Studio project. Select empty activity, give the application name. So our new project is loaded. So let's just run to see how it looks. So this is our application. We have my application and hello world text. So this is boring action bar. We want to change this. We will create our own action bar with buttons over it. So let's get rid of this action bar first. Go to resources, values folder, styles, and change this dark action bar to no action bar. We have changed. Now the action bar should be gone. Let's just split code and the preview. So this is hello world action bar is no more there, so we will put our own action bar. So just go to the layout file and create a new layout for our action bar or toolbar. Let's give it the name toolbar for now, and I will choose root element at relative layout. Okay, so this is our toolbar empty. We will put something here. So let's just give the background color first. Background, I will give the color red for now, and I will wrap content the height. We will give the height. First I will create a relative layout, width match parent, height wrap content, and inside that relative layout I will put image view, width wrap content, height also wrap content. We'll give the source later. I will put one text view, wrap content and height wrap content, and also another image view. So this is our image view, text view, and another image view. So let's just create an image drawable first. Go to drawable and new vector asset. From here we will select any image. We can select any icons. So I will select first arrow back. I will give the color white. Okay, so this is our icon. We will create another also vector asset for something like overflow or menu. Okay, so I've created two drawable over here. One is menu and one is arrow back. I will give the source of back button to this image view, and for this image view I will give menu, and I will push this to parent end. So here we have one icon, two icon, and we will have text here. I'll give the text for now my application. So this is not looking good, so I will make this relative layout padding at 16 dp, and I will give margin here, and I will put this image view. Let us give id to this as left icon and right icon for this. Okay, I will put end of left icon. So this is how it is looking now. Let's just zoom. Okay, so we'll make this text white also. Text color white, and I will give the size of something like 20 sp. So our toolbar is almost ready. So we will center it first. Center in vertical, true. Same for all three. So it is looking good. So our toolbar is ready now. We will put it in activity main. How we can put? We can include layout, that is toolbar, just like that. So here is our hello world and here is our toolbar. You can include this anywhere in the project you want, because we have separate toolbar.xml. So let's just go to main activity to test the buttons and text. So image view, left icon, icon, id. Let's just import this. And what we have in the text view, okay, we haven't given the id. Toolbar title. So let's just put here. So we have IDs of 3 all, and we will set on click listener on left icon. We will show the toast for testing. You clicked in left icon. Same for right icon. And we can set title also, like easy tutorial. So done, we have created a toolbar.xml which is reusable to any of the layout, and we have included this layout in main activity, and we have set on click listeners and text. So let's just run it. Okay, so we have the layout and we have toolbar hour and hello world. So let's just click here. You clicked in left icon, you clicked in right icon, so everything is working fine. Easy tutorial also. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. If you have any doubts and queries, please comment below, and please subscribe before leaving the video, and also give the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.